bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Yes, you can use a USB-C to HDMI adapter to connect a Nintendo Switch to a TV. This method requires a compatible USB-C to HDMI adapter. First, connect the USB-C end of the adapter to the Nintendo Switch's charging port. Then, connect an HDMI cable between the adapter and your TV. Make sure to select the correct HDMI input on your TV. This setup should mirror your Switch's display to the TV, allowing you to play games or use apps on a larger screen. Ensure the adapter supports video output, as some may only charge the device.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.